Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your sample case, the percussions that you are using to create your beat, especially your kick, your snares, your claps, your hi-hat, how to make them more tight and punchy. Let's do this right after the intro. Alright, so the name is Gosai. I'm a music producer. I take you through mixing of vocals, mixing of beat, mastering of full song. Alright, and over here I give you free sample case, free mixing preset, tips to speed up your production. So make sure you turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I drop such content. So today we are going to consider how to make this sample that we mostly use more punchy, more tight, to make more interesting beat. Let's do this. Alright, so I'm gonna stick to the default samples from FL Studio. Alright, so guys, first thing we're gonna start with is the snare. So how can you make this snare more tight? What you need to do is to click on this, and if you watch here, you can play with the out, and anytime you are using something that is not sounding well, you can make it more interesting. All you need to do is to tighten up this like this. All right, when you consider to this one, all right, so you can make it more tighter like this. Super simple. All right, so let's go to the piano roll options, create a simple drums like that. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here, give the video a like if it helps you. Let's try snares from here. Okay, so let's drop this over here. Now when we click on this, you can hear ending, the tail takes a longer time before it fades, but we can tighten up things by just pushing the out button all the way up like this. Now you can hear the difference. All right, and if you want it to punch, sound heavier, what you need to do is to click on the normalize over here like this. All right, super simple. Now listen to this. You heard the difference? Make sure you are using good headsets and monitors. So when it comes to Afrobeats, what I will encourage you is to tighten up the sample or the percussion that you are using by pushing the out all the way up like this. Now let's consider the hi-hat. All right, and making it more normalized. Okay, and this is gonna make it sound heavier, louder. Without the out, listen to the tail end and compare that to this. Now let's create a simple hi-hat by right clicking, fill it 2 steps. Now listen. All right, now let's try and add the clap. All right, let's go to the piano roll options, then fill the bass like this. Now let's tighten up the clap by pushing the out like this. Then we can normalize it like this. Okay, let me change the theme so that you can actually see. Let's go to the default theme. Okay, so let's say we want to replace the clap with our own sample. Okay, let's go for claps. This was the default, and we can actually make it more interesting by playing with the out over here. If you want it to be tight, just push it all the way up. I don't like this one. Something like this, cool. All right, now let's add simple kick. All right, so now let's listen to the kick. Let's see this. All right, so I'm gonna stick to this. How can you make the kick more punch? What you need to do is to turn off the use loop point, then hit normalize. Then you can increase the volume over here. So if you listen whilst I'm exaggerating or pushing this channel volume over here, listen. All right, now let's add the rest of the percussions. And even if you want the kick to punch more heavier, you can also click on this over here, click on the miscellaneous functions over here, then you can increase the volume over here, so you can hear the difference. Without this, let's reset, listen, and when I push this, listen. Alright, next thing to make your cake more tighter is to route everything to the mixer track. So we're gonna highlight this one, go to the mixer track, right click and go to channel routing, route selected channel starting from this track. Alright, so this is the cake, we're gonna solo it. And next thing you need to do is to load an EQ. Right, so to make the cake more punch, we're gonna use fruity parametric EQ like this. And now what we're gonna do is to cut off some of the high ends like this. And we're gonna boost the low ends like this. Okay, so guys, if you're gonna follow these tricks, you can tighten up and make your cake more punch. Now listen to this. So we're gonna add this one in content with the other samples. Let's listen, enable everything over here. And with the snare too, you can EQ it. Just follow the same tips. If you want me to go deep on this, then leave a comment. Until then, go and watch the next video to know how to create more chords, more melodies. I mean, simplest way to develop chord progressions and melodies. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.